Today we are going to share how to make beautiful and natural looking beach waves. Split the hair into 3 sections. Let's start from the back. Separate a strand approximately 1 inch wide. Apply thickening spray to add texture and fullness. Alternate the direction of the curls with every strand as you go along. Curl one strand towards and the other one away from your face. This way, we create soft, relaxed waves. We're going to follow the same steps with other sections of the hair. Apply the hairspray to hold the curls. Gently brush the curls until you're happy with the way it looks. Smooth out the ends. We are done. Beautiful and natural looking beach waves are ready.